Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I am Ina Pandora and I'm welcoming you into our family. Before you leave, consider subscribing and joining our family where we're learning, exploring and testing makeup products together. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a little trick on how to reduce and minimize visibly your pores. Unfortunately, we oily babes out there have enlarged pores, which is a bad and a good thing. Bad, well, because we are oily and it's really hard to keep the makeup on, staying on all day and all that jazz. But the benefit of it is we are aging a lot slower. Unfortunately, there's no cure for enlarged pores, so we're gonna have them and we gotta embrace them. However, there are a few tricks that I want to share with you today that we can make it look less noticeable. And we are up close and personal now. The area of my concern and texture, I have it around my nose, on my cheeks, and on my nose as well, around my mouth. So you want to start with a pore minimizing primer, and I have two that I absolutely love. These two have been my lifesavers: Pores No More Pore Refiner Primer from Dr. Brand and Smashbox Photo Finish Minimize Pores Primer. Today I'm going to be using the Dr. Brand Pores No More. I'll link them down below for you. First, I am going to apply it with my fingers all over area that I want to minimize the pores, and I'm gonna work it with the circular motions, and then I'm gonna press it deep in, because what I want to do is I want the product to get in deeply inside my pores to fill in all the holes. As you can tell, it already improved tremendously the appearance of the pores. So this is my skin with the primer, and this is my skin without the primer. As you can see, it already made a huge difference. Moving on to foundation, you will need a small stiff blending brush like this one from Sigma. So I'm going to apply into the affected area into circular motions. What I want to do is I want the product inside to cover the pores, because a lot of times when we are using the beauty blender or the sponge, it just presses in on top and doesn't get the product inside the pore. So we're ending up with even more emphasized texture and pores. So what I'm doing is just going in with circular motion all over the area where I want the product in. We're going in and out, up and down, until we got everything covered. Once you've worked all that product in, what I like to do is go in and actually push the product against the skin even more. Over the rest of the face, I'm not gonna worry and just apply the foundation with a brush. Now the next step would be the powder, and today I'm going to be using Stay Matte But Not Flat foundation powder from NYX Cosmetics in the shade Nude. And it's really important to use the powder puff. Sometimes the powders come in with them, but you also can buy them online, or I'll leave a few links down below if you want to know which one I'm using. Normally I'm using the one from BH Cosmetics, but it's dirty right now, so we're gonna go and use whatever we're having available right now. But it's really important to have the powder puffs to do this next step. So what I'm gonna do is get the powder on it and then tap the excess on your palm. And what you want to do is press the powder into your skin. This is very important. Don't smear it around. Just press the powder into your skin. And voila. Check it out. just press. You really can use any kind of powder that you have. So here is my skin after I completed everything. And here is the before, how it looked like. It definitely, our texture and pores have improved a lot compared to how it looks like right now. I hope this video helps some of you with your pores, minimizing them and make them look a lot better, as all of us oily skin girls should stick together. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one, guys. Love you.